I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on 3 dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo and click on Bit Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now search for Action Zoho Recruit. Select respective data center. Now for Client ID and Client Secret, please visit Zoho API Console. Click on Get Start. Choose Server-Based Applications. Give a name. Copy homepage URL and redirect URL from authorization page. And paste it here. Now click on Create. You can see Client ID and Client Secret. Copy this and paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Click on Accept. Authorized successfully done. Click on Next. Choose Module. Now map the fields. Here you can see some advanced options and conditional logic. As per your requirement, you can use this. Click on Next. Our integration successfully done. Click on Finish and Save. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Let's go to Zoho Recruit. Candidates module, reload this page. You can see data is created in Candidates module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.